Today we're going to take a look at the 2020 Keystone RV Montana 3120 RL with a 3-year warranty. Now let's check out some of the storage on this Montana. Of course, you got a pass-through storage. Inside there, you got the vacuum cleaner set up, so you can easily attach the hose and clean stuff out here. You've also got front storage. And this is where you can also install a generator. You've got your batteries right here. Around here you've got electronic leveling with auto leveling. Here you got another propane tank. And you can see your leveling system. And here you have your outside shower and some of your tank flush, city water connection, all that kind of stuff. You can see on the Montana for leveling system, you get 6 jacks with your auto leveling system. All right, now let's take a look at the inside of this 3120 RL Montana. Of course, it's a rear living unit. You've got your love seat for 2. Armrest comes up for a little bit of storage of remotes. Rear couch. Some cabinets above. On this side you got your entertainment center. Your flat screen TV. And your fireplace. Turn around, let you look towards the front of the coach. Got your large kitchen on the side. And your kitchen island. Up here you're going to have a convection oven microwave, along with your upgraded oven with chef's grill, a ton of drawers, and you get a couple more drawers and more cabinets, along with one that's just for your trash. Here in your kitchen island, your removable sink toppers that go right underneath here. And then you've got a residential size fridge. And over there you're going to have your pantry. Take a look at those. It's full size. Pantry's pretty big. And you've got more space here. Cupboards for more food. Almost like a desk area here, but drawers and stuff. Then you've got your bedroom in the front. On your way back, you've got a place to put notes, hang coats. Up here you've got a Wi-Fi router. And back here is your bedroom. Both of those doors have mirrors on them. When you get inside there, there's a hamper for you. This closet has 2 extra chairs for your dinner table. And you've got your hookups for your washer and dryer. Let's look at your main bed, which looks like a king. And then you've also got a flat screen in here, a Jensen, with a dresser with 6 drawers. Last but not least, you've got your bathroom with a big shower. You got storage there for towels. And that's what your vanity and storage looks like. There's your sink, 3 drawers, and some more storage. That's about it. Thanks, guys.